Hey there, scholars. Today we're going to be learning about sink and float. So I have these little cylinder pieces. They are all exactly the same size. I want you to write in the discussion board which ones you think will sink. So if you just type in SINK and put a dash, you can tell me which ones you think will sink. And then if you put this, you can tell me which ones will float. And I will give you a word to use to describe each one. So this one we will call the silver cylinder. So just write silver. This one we will call copper. Okay. This one we call wooden. This one we will call white. And this one we will call clear. I want you to decide which ones will sink and which ones will float. And I want a one sentence summary why you think those particular ones will sink and why you think those particular ones will float. So on your discussion board, you're going to write sink and you're going to write, let's say you think 4 of them will sink and you're going to explain why. Float, let's say you think the only one of them will float. You will explain why. What is it that the ones that will sink have in common, and what is it the ones that will float have in common? And you cannot say because they are bigger and that's why they're sinking. I'm telling you right now, they are all the exact same volume. Whoops. So in the discussion below, describe which one, or tell me which ones will sink, explain why, which ones will float, explain why. Okay?